What's up, feeders? Welcome to yet another action-packed episode of Got Faded Japan, and I am your host, Johnny.
And I'm Tom Tokyo, back again.
I'm Missy. Hello.
Hello. And as you fine folks know, Got Faded Japan is about three dudes. But caffeine is very early in the morning. It's extremely early in the morning. So we're drinking coffee. We've got very, very strong coffee. I call this black crack. And so it's three dudes, caffeine, and Tomo, what else is this?
Japan in the news.
That's right. And Missy, do you know what number this is?
627. It's 627.
Hell yeah!
Still going strong.
That's right. And before we start this show, before we move forward, before we hit the gas pedal really hard, I want to say thank you to Fader Ellen. Fader Ellen out there, thank you so much for gifting us these awesome shirts. We've got some incredible shirts right here, and let's read these shirts together. Okay, let's start off with Tom. Tom, yours says West 6 Kentucky Proud Brewing. I think it says something cool in the back. Local beer tastes better. That's what it says in the back, and that is awesome.
I'm down with that.
Hell yeah. All right, Tom, what about mine? What's mine say? I can't read it.
Arcana.
It says
Ethereal Brewing. And it's got some weird, like, arcade Arcana
symbols.
symbols.
I didn't look at this till
I got the cool shirt.
Beautiful.
Isn't it dope?
Wow.
Missy's our Arcana expert, so can you interpret there?
Nope. But I.
Nope, but it looks. But she's also an artist. She's like, nope, but it looks cool.
It looks like a bunch of tattoos I already have on myself, to be honest. So I got
Gnarly.
All right.
Wow, that's
Yes.
awesome.
See, this is why she doesn't get that shirt. That's why. She doesn't need the shirt.
It's already on.
Yeah, it's already on.
Yeah.
She can't take it off.
Mm-hmm.
Missy, your shirt is spectacular. When I first saw this shirt, I thought of Black Sabbath. I was like, oh, Black Sabbath, cool. But it's not Black Sabbath. It is Bach Sabbath. And it is the Hell's Rock 6.66% of ABV. ABV, boy, who's stupid, this guy here. Another coffee, please, Mr. Saito. Yes, this is the Blue Stallion Brewing Company in Lexington, Kentucky. Fucking awesome. Dude, Alan, thank you so much for these shirts. Then eventually we are going to meet up in your hometown and we're going to go to your sake bar. Oh, there's a sake shirt. Where's the sake shirt?
Somewhere there.
Yes, there's a sake shirt. He works at a sake brewing company. Yeah, I think it's called Sake. There it is. It's cool. It's like an Atari
Hold this up.
design. Yeah. Sake. And was this the Void Sake company?
That's another Missy thing, the Void.
The void.
That one was supposed to go to Germany, but Germany's been slacking. Do you want this?
Yeah, I'm always.
I like this.
Nice.
Can you turn it around? Because I really like this font because it's like the old
Can
school.
I turn around?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Wait, did you say turn the shirt
Oh,
around?
no, the shirt.
Put it in the camera.
See, because I like this font because it's like a retro pixel from 4-bit to 8-bit.
Yeah, it's Atari.
Yeah, it's cool. I like that. Sake.
Suck it to me, baby.
Yeah, this is pretty dope.
That is amazing. Okay, that's your shirt. Yeah. Sorry, Jeremy. You flaked again.
Snooze, you lose.
Yeah. Yeah, well, he does have a bar, and his bar is really awesome. So, and one of these days, we're going to go to his bar. We're going to snooze all day, too. So, all right.
No, we're going to booze all day.
Yeah, probably, most likely, yes. But not today. It's very early in the morning. Actually, no, now after all this fucking setup, it's actually 11 o'clock in the morning. We should have booze now. Fuck. When we got here, we were like, God, it's so early. Coffee time. But now we're just like, shit. Okay, booze later. Booze later. Right now, caffeine. Black crack. Oh, man. So, Hello, Faders. Thank you very much for tuning in to this special episode of Got Faded Japan. I am your host, Johnny. And when I'm not creating podcasts, there's nothing more than I enjoy than to be in my studio or at a cafe or in a park somewhere with a hot cup of coffee creating art. I love art. Art is my life. It really is. And I think art changes how I feel. It changes the way I think. It opens my mind to different ideas. And when I have a big piece that I created on my wall, it changes the environment of the room. It changes how people think when they're in the room. Art on your walls makes your life more enjoyable and more creative. It makes you more creative. I think art is the best thing in the world for me, and I would love to share my artwork with you. So if you have a couple of minutes, please come on down to thespiltink.com. That's my website. My artwork is there. If you want to purchase my artwork, you can purchase it there, or if you want, you can go down to my Etsy page. I have a lot of work there that's very reasonably priced. Or if you'd like to commission me to make some art for you, if you have something in mind that's very special for you, it would be my pleasure and my honor to create something for you. Art is my life, and it's my gift, and I would love to share my gift with you. Please enjoy some of these other paintings that I've created, and I look forward to meeting you sometime soon on the internet. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for tuning into Got Faded Japan. Enjoy the rest of the episode. Thank you.